Alright guys, got a FB 440V, 460V off of a John Deere here. It's one of the John Deeres, and this is how you put the whole top end back on here. They're a little bit different than your Briggs & Strattons. What you got to do is you got to put this guy on here first, line him up, get him straightened out, and she will go inside of that like there. Make sure your dipstick goes in. And then there's some holes back here that's going to line up. So you take the two long bolts and they go here and here. And then there's a short one, and then there's a slightly longer one. So this is the slightly longer one. It goes over here on this side. Right in there. And this one goes in right here. And to make this go a little faster, I'm just going to use this guy. Just barely snug them down with this thing. This is just really overkill. And then over here. Alright. And then the next piece you got to put on is this guy here. He's held in by two Phillips screws. And so I just zip those in quick. And then we need to put this top piece on right here. Just got a little flange that goes with it. Doesn't do anything. It's like a spacer. Put that on there. Put this on top. Drop them in there like that. And this is a 12mm down in here. So what I do is I just load them into this before we even start. You guys who have taken Briggs & Strattons apart will realize that this is not quite the same. It's a little bit more complicated. It's a little more sealed up. You could say it like that. There's 3 of them in there. Alright. Now you need to put this guy on. It doesn't look like it ever had a side that went up or down. It looks like they're universal. Put that on there like that. You want to put this over here like so. There's 4 bolts, they all got to line up. But you can always just move around. Just be careful, so that way you make sure you got your pull cord going out the side. Usually the side on the away from the discharge, so your foot doesn't accidentally slip into it. Imagine that wouldn't be too good. And now just zip this boy on here. I'll tighten them up later, but that'll get you back and hopefully she'll start.